Hey guys, Andrew King here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make $100 per day using nothing but your laptop. So if you are interested, if you want to make money, watch this video until the end and don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, and leave a like for more videos like this. So let's get started, guys. The first thing you need to do is create a Clickbank account. Now, I know most of you watching this video have a Clickbank account or have heard of this website before. All you have to do is type in clickbank.com and you will be hit with this page. All you have to do then is create a brand new account. Now, Clickbank is international and it's available in almost 80 countries in the world. So this is worldwide. You can do this anywhere from the world. Now, once you create an account, all you have to do is click on login and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you're gonna be hit with this page. All you have to do next is go to the marketplace. Now, once you click on marketplace, you're gonna be hit with this exact page. The next thing you need to do is choose a category. Now, what do you want to promote? For those of you who don't know what Clickbank is, it's an affiliate network that will allow you to promote other people's products for a certain amount of commissions. Now, I know most of you don't know anything about affiliate marketing or tried it before and failed. If you watch this video step by step, don't skip. Don't skip this video until the end. Don't skip a second, because if you skip something, it's really important. This is a process. This is a step-by-step guide. So you have to watch this video until the end. So like I said, most of you don't know how to promote these products, and if you stay in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So once we choose our category, so if you are into cooking and food and you want to promote products related to that, all you have to do is click on this category. Now I prefer e-business and e-marketing, so I'm going to click on that and all these products are going to appear. Now you can sort these products by popularity, average per sale, initial per sale, average percentage per sale, and average retail, gravity, whatever you want. So I'm gonna leave it on popularity, and as you can see, Super Affiliate System by John Cristani is the most popular product in my category. So the average amount per sale is gonna be $520.46. Per each sale that I make with this product, I get this amount of commission. Now, I know I promised you $100 per day. So if you make one sale in 5 days, that will be more than $100 per day. Now, the big question is, how do I make a sale? How do I make money with this? The first thing you need to do is click on promote. Now, you're gonna get your affiliate link instantly. Don't have to request approval. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is select the landing page. I'm gonna select the direct sales page, and then I'm gonna click on generate hop link. I'm gonna scroll down a little bit, and this is your affiliate link, so we're gonna copy it right here. We're gonna go to a notepad and paste it. Now you're gonna leave your affiliate link right there. The next thing we need to do is visit the JV page. So where it says affiliate page, all you have to do is click on it right here. Click on this link. It will take you to the affiliate page. What you're gonna be wanting to look for is gonna be the webinar link. So I know where the webinar link is. I'm gonna scroll down all the way to the bottom right here. So as you can see where it says JV promotion webinar reply. what you want to do is you want to download this video. How do we download this video? We install a little extension called IDM integration. Now you need to install this product or this software called Internet Download Manager. It's free to download. I'm gonna leave a link down below for you to download it. Now once you download it, once you click on play, as you can see, this bar right here will pop up. All you have to do is click on download this media, and then you're gonna so as you can see, you're gonna choose a media right here. I'm sorry, I'm gonna do this once again to show you how this works. So I'm gonna click on the play button, and this bar will appear right here. This will take a second. As you can see, download this media. So I'm gonna click on download this media, or I'm gonna click on here. It says download video on this page, and I'm gonna click and choose the 1080p, which is the highest resolution. Then I'm gonna click on start downloading the video. Now once I click on start, this video will start to download into my computer. The next thing we need to do is build a webinar page. Now, why do we need to promote this product via webinar? If we scroll down right here, as you can see, the webinar time is Thursday at 7 p.m. EST. Now, this is a case study for the webinar. As you can see, John Cristani has sent 236 people, 170 people out of 236 have stayed 1 hour in this webinar, and this webinar had 17% conversion rate. So if you send 100% to this webinar, 17% of those people are likely to buy this product. So 72 people out of 236 people bought this product. Now, like we said, it's a $520 per sale. So if you make one sale per week, you'll be able to bank this type of money. Now I'm going to show you how to promote webinar. Now, if you go to websites like Webinar Ninja and Easy Webinar, it costs a lot. So like I said, $59 per month and $39 per month. Most of you guys are not going to be able to afford this. So I went online and searched on the best webinar hosting platform, and I found, not only did I found it, but I found this really cool app called Aurora. Now Aurora is gonna help you to build your webinar and promote your link at the same time. So it's gonna help you to build your webinar, it's automated, and it's gonna drive targeted free traffic from Instagram and Pinterest. So it does all that for the price of $17, which is mind-blowing. Now $17 is a one-time payment fee. I'm gonna leave a link for my bonus page if you decided to pick up Aurora. Now, like I said, Aurora is gonna help you to build webinars in literally a minute long. So 60 seconds, you'll be able to build a webinar and drive targeted traffic from Pinterest and Instagram. Now the front end price is gonna be $17. I don't know why it says $13 right here, but it's gonna be $16.97, so it's gonna be approximately $17. Now Aurora is a complete system that automates webinars and generates traffic. Users will be able to use built-in free traffic to promote included auto webinars. Set this once and enjoy real automated traffic with high ticket sales. Now, if you want to use the Instagram feature, if you want to promote this on Instagram and automate this on Instagram so you get highly targeted traffic from Instagram, what this does, what the Aurora app does, is it's gonna follow targeted people in your niche. So you're gonna select a big account. For example, in my niche, I'm gonna go to Grant Cardone and I'm gonna follow all the followers that are following Grant Cardone, if you know what I mean. Now, this app will do it on automation. So all you have to do is tell this app to follow these people and it will follow them automatically. Now, once it follows them, people are start gonna click on your profile, and once they visit your profile, you're gonna include your Aurora link right here, your Aurora webinar. Now, everything is explained in the course right here. Once you purchase Aurora, you're gonna get access to this dashboard right here. Jono is gonna walk you through on how to build your webinar and how to drive targeted traffic for it. Now, this is the pro version. So Jono is also gonna show you how to promote your link via Instagram and get highly targeted traffic. Now, if you want to get the best out of this, I recommend you get Aurora for $17, and then you get the first upsell for $67, because Instagram is so powerful. It's the #1 growing social media on earth. So I highly recommend you invest the money right here. Now, as for the second upsell, third, and fourth upsell, I got you covered in my bonuses. If you decided to buy Aurora from my link, I'm gonna leave a link for my bonus page. All you have to do is come through to this bonus page by clicking the first thing in the description. Once you come here, all you have to do is click on one of these blue buttons. It will take you to Aurora sales page, and all you have to do is click on get instant access and purchase the product, and you will get all my bonuses free of charge delivered to you instantly. Now, the first bonus is gonna be a tutorial on how to get the best high ticket offers to promote. Now, if we look at the second upsell, it's the same exact thing for $197. Now I'm giving this to you for free, and I'm gonna show you the best high ticket offers to promote for free, so you don't have to purchase the second upsell. I got you covered in my first bonus. The second bonus is I'm gonna show you on a hack on how to grow your email list using Instagram. So I'm gonna show you on how to grow your email list using Instagram. My third bonus is gonna be a hack on how to create professional bridge pages. The fourth bonus is gonna be 2 more traffic sources to use with Aurora. Now, Aurora, if you bought the main version, you're gonna get the Pinterest automation tool, and if you decided to upgrade to Aurora Pro, you're gonna get Pinterest automation tool plus Instagram automation targeted traffic tool. Now, with my third bonus, or my fourth bonus, I'm gonna show you 2 more traffic sources to use with Aurora to drive traffic to these webinars and make a lot of money. The last bonus is gonna be access to all the vendors bonuses. Now, I don't know what the vendors bonuses are, but what I do know is that most of the other affiliates are gonna be offering these bonuses only. I have gone above that and gave you all these bonuses delivered to you free of charge once you purchase Aurora. Now, what you need to do is purchase the front end only, and you're gonna get access to all these bonuses. Now, if you purchased one of the upsells, I'm gonna give you a special bonus, which is my course on how to promote or how to do YouTube ads. My special YouTube ads course is going to be available only if you purchase the first upsell of Aurora, which I know most of you are going to be purchasing. I have purchased this software myself, as you can see, Aurora Pro version, and I have been using it to get highly targeted traffic to my posts. Now, in the next video, I'm going to show you, if you want, if you comment down below, if I see a lot of comments, I'm going to show you proof of this and how much I'm making using this Aurora software. Now, like I said, if you purchase the front end, you're gonna get access to all my bonuses delivered to you free of charge. And you will be able to make at least $100 per day easily. I hope you like this video. I hope you go ahead and implement this idea that I just showed you, because it's really important that you start making money today. Don't slack off. Don't say, I will start tomorrow. Start today. Get success. I have showed you all the tools you need. Everything is right there for you to use. So all you have to do is take action and be a winner, not a quitter. So if you have any questions, please leave them at the comment section down below. And all the links that I mentioned are down below in description. So if you want to pick up Aurora, my bonus page is in the description. All you have to do is click on it, come through to this page, click on one of these blue buttons before my countdown timer hits 0, because all these bonuses will disappear once the countdown timer hits 0. My bonuses are worth more than $2,000, so you better hurry and grab them fast. So that was the video. I hope you like it. I hope you take action, and I see you in the next one.